Here's a quick look at the emini S&P for Friday, October the 22nd, 2010. Well, we were expecting a quiet day today, and we certainly did get it. I think the total range today was only 6 points, so a very quiet range. We had anticipated the high at around 81, and you can see here overnight it hit, I think, to within a tick, and then in the regular trading hours only took it out in the very last minute of trading by a tick or two. So that support or that resistance obviously is a key area and could very well send the market higher should it show some strength prior to the Monday RTH closing. Our support on the bottom side was down around 70, and you can see that down here the overnight trade did not get anywhere near it, and the regular trading hours even a higher low. As I'd mentioned yesterday, this mini consolidation that we're having here seems to be skewed towards the upside, and likely will continue there next week. Just above this resistance area is another one. I don't think it's a real strong one, but we'll wait and see when the market can test this week's high, which was formed yesterday at 1186 and change. So that's really the first target. Could very well be hit overnight trade on Sunday evening going into Monday's RTH session. So still looking at the market to have the bullish bias as it exhibited today, and we'll see what we can get out of that come next week. By the way, next week there will be some fairly important news to be released. On Friday, the employment cost index and the GDP, Chicago PMI, and consumer sentiment. So Friday's a big day for news, and of course Thursday the regular jobless claims. Even earlier in the week there's consumer confidence and new home sales and things like that. So certainly some news next week that could take the market out of this mini consolidation that it's showing right now. We also use the profiles from the regular trading hours, and that's what you're looking at right here. This is today's session using our software. You can see we only had one trade. It was a short trade, entered here. Market only moved down a point, so it ended up by being a break-even trade. Of course, we were really looking to try and get long quite a bit lower, but it just the market never did dip there. The overnight low was down here at 73.25, so the overnight low got pretty close to it right here, but the regular session low right here a couple or 2.5 points higher. So that's really about it. Not a lot to report other than the we think the market is still in this bullish undertone, and we'll continue to send the market higher, and we'll look for support in around today's lows. The immediate support could come in around 76 or 78, with stronger support down around 71, with a look towards hitting this week's high around 86 and change early next week. That's obviously what we'd like to see to confirm this bullish condition on the intraday auction. So that'll be it for today, Friday, October the 27th. Have a really great weekend, and we'll see you all on Monday.